Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, like that. After releasing the fingers you should see the recents. Of course, if you want to, you can close only one of those apps, for example, just find it and then just swipe it to the left or to the right. It does not really matter. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you want to close all of them, just tap on this X button right here. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.